subscribe and click the like icon. Thank you for helping us put this remote-controlled cage together, Ranger Rocky.
You're welcome. Try it out.
Cool.
The cage will come in handy for animal rescue missions. See you around, Junior Rangers.
Bye, Ranger Rocky.
Look at this mess. We should put these tools away, Leo.
How did that get in there? Whoa! That's not a bone, Hero. Hey!
Hero, no!
Oh, hi, Junior Ranger Kyle. How are you today?
Back, Hero.
Hey, Leo. Sorry, I'm just so tired. I was sleeping in a tree in the Tasmanian forest, but there was a high-pitched screech coming from somewhere. And now all the animals are stressed and jumpy.
Did you say a loud, high-pitched screech?
Yeah, I'm calling because I can't tell which animal made the screech. And I can't locate it either, because it's coming from all directions.
That's strange.
It stopped for a while, but I'm worried, Leo. Can you help me identify the animal? I'll send you a recording of it.
Aha! Got it! What was that sound, Leo?
That screech was heard in the Tasmanian forest last night. Kyle is unsure which animal it comes from.
I can run the recording through the computer to find out more.
Awesome.
Let's see what animal the screech belongs to. There! The screech belongs to a Tasmanian devil.
That's a scary name for an animal that looks so cute.
Well, they're not exactly cute and cuddly, Leo. Tasmanian devils are easily angered when they're threatened or when fighting for food. They'll show their teeth and growl, making the sound we just heard.
Do you think the Tasmanian devil was fighting for food all night long?
I don't think so, Leo. The Tasmanian devil might be in trouble. That could be a cry for help.
In that case, Katie, we should go check it out.
Hey guys, welcome to Tasmania.
Hi, Kyle.
The screeching has stopped for a while now, so maybe the Tasmanian devil left. That's it. That's the sound I heard all night.
Wow, you're right. It does sound like it's coming from everywhere.
I'll scan the area using my audio frequency sensor. Found it!
Good job, Katie. Let's head over there right now.
It's coming from over there. Look, it's the Tasmanian devil.
Wow, that's deep.
The Tasmanian devil is trapped. That must be why he was calling out all night. We have to help get him out.
There has to be a way. Ah, that might work. Here, Tasmanian devil, grab hold of the stick.
I don't think that's going to work, Kyle. Besides, that looks dangerous.
Just a little more. Ah!
Gotcha!
Ranger Rocky!
Thank you for saving me, Ranger Rocky.
You have to be more careful, Junior Ranger.
So we have to get the Tasmanian devil out, but we can't get too close to him. I got it. We can put some food in the cage and lower it to lure the Tasmanian devil in. Then we close the door with the remote and transport him back to his home.
Great idea, Leo.
Does anybody have any food?
Nope.
Not me.
I just remembered. I've got some meat pies in my ATV.
Meat
pies?
Yeah, it's for when I stay over in the bush.
A little more to the left. You're nearly there.
Touchdown! All clear!
It's working. He's going in.
Yes, we did it!
I guess that's his way of saying thanks.
You're welcome. Hit subscribe and click the like icon.